Whakalawhatu Makau, Mawhala, Wahonei, Mawehe, Sister Haku I Mahua. My sister's last day working at her school, Roporaka. No, not Roporaka, Point England. She's been working here for 20 years and she's leaving now to work as a deputy principal at Roporaka, Point England. Most people will know her if they went to this school in the last 20 years. I think it's time she's going to make a move and do something else, which is be a deputy principal, which is cool, just up the road too. So yeah, I won't take my camera in because yeah, a lot of kids in there. You know, need permission to put other people's kids on social media type stuff. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna go walk in now. Kamata, say ke kamata. Alright, peace. Whakalawhatu decided to bring the camera in anyway. We're inside the school. We've got Jordan, Christopher and Juliana. Oh, supporting old Sandy. 21 years, it's 21 years at Roporaka. All these guys went to Roporaka. Point England, eh? Point England, yeah. I don't know why I keep saying Point England. Sandy's going to Roporaka as a deputy principal, that's why I keep saying it. So we're just here. Kamata Halavalu Lima Mafulu. Starts at 8:50, so we're just waiting. It's a bit makalili. So glad I got the tapulu mawhana on. Just waiting for Sandy to come. And yeah, see how it goes. I heard Jordan's taki e takalo. He's gonna lead the kalo, so looking forward to that. And we've got Christopher and Juliana. Hopefully the grandparents come. I'm not sure. Jordan, you came to the school, eh?
Yeah.
How old are you when you started here?
About 7.
7, I thought so. Yeah. Good. Chili Breeze, here's the principal. Hey, Russell, you got any words for my sister? Any kind of words about my sister's? I'm gonna record something for my sister.
Oh, I've already done it.
Oh, you've already done it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you want some more though?
Just a little, yeah, just a little more.
Yeah, okay, go.
Yeah.
Whakalawhatu to Sandy. We love you so much. 21 years, that means you're grown up, eh? We'll give you the key. You got the key to the ropu now, eh? So, love you heaps, eh? God bless you. You're going to do so well at Roporaka. Go well.
Whakawalahi. Yep, that's the principal of Point England. He's, yeah. Russell's his name, but yeah, that's awesome. When Russell came and greeted me, he came and said Whakalawhatu straight off the bat, so that's cool. Support the lingo. So yeah, we'll just waiting for Peter. Peter's gone to get a jacket. Yeah, alright. Whakalawhatu. My sister here. Try not to get the kids in the camera. Alright, here's Peter. Whaikupu.
Ei whaikupu.
Man, homolahi e te kalo hao.
Ei whakaue.
Ei whai leo, eh?
O tōra o nei.
I'm just recording because this is the last day. Oh look, Auntie Wilma came right on time. Perfect timing. It's Jordan, Juliana, Kingston, Christopher, Peter, Sandy, Mum and Wilma.
Oh, Joey, you come in here.
Is this your last day today or tomorrow? Today. 21 years. Just had an awesome takalo led by Peter, and me and the boys jumped in. It was so good they asked for an encore, so we had to do it a second time. Only me and Peter were in that one. Just a duo, but it was good. So just spending time organizing for photo. As you can see, Sandy's lei looks like the Niue flag.
Hello.
Wow.
One for.
Yeah.
Come in, Judy.
Here we go again.